Why hasn't he come yet? Was I wrong this whole time? Excuse me, where is Takumi?
He left for the city a long time ago.
I waited every day at the same time, hoping you would come.
I have to go!
Was what I felt that night wrong?
No, wait for me! Please wait! Oh no! Not this time.
Where are you, Sakura? Sakura, wait! Sakura.
You actually came...
Not this time. I'm not letting you go again.